Hey guys, I'm Mike and welcome back to the Mullaney Cycle Works YouTube channel. This here is a Kawasaki ZX14 that I'm laying some welds on to get it ready for the drag strip. When you're pushing these bikes to the limit, every detail matters. A strong chassis, solid welds, and the right setup could be the difference between winning and losing. That's what we do. We build strong chassis that hook, stay straight, and go really fast. If you're anything like me and you're into fast bikes and real deal fabrication, hit that subscribe button and follow the dream. We're just getting started and we're about to have some serious fun.